Hi, Bella. Are you ready to make our buttercream icing?
Yes!
All right, so here are the materials and ingredients. We would need butter, icing sugar, and then a room temperature milk. And for our flavor, vanilla, and we can pick what color would you like later for your icing?
I would like pink.
You would like pink. Okay, so do you know how to make pink?
I think so.
What is it?
Oh, we already have white mixture.
Uh-huh.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of red and we're gonna mix it and it's gonna be pink.
All right, let's see if that will work. So we'll put our butter in here first. And we're gonna whip the butter until the color of the butter will change from being yellow to white. And you can see that it will actually double in size. It's gonna be fluffy. All right, so we're gonna just whip it until it will get fluffy. And it gets so fluffy. About 4 minutes of doing this, or until it actually, you can see that it's already fluffy and it's now doubling in size. Come on, Bella.
I'm not having fun.
You want to try?
No.
Here we go. Hold it, and then just swirl it around. There. Yep. Ah, good job, Bella. All right, and now we're going to add our icing sugar. Let's do it. Icing sugar, little by little. Little by little.
So loud. I can't even.
So we finished putting our icing sugar here. Now we're gonna add milk into our desired consistency. And then after that we can add our flavoring vanilla. Let's do that.
By the way, that made me dizzy. And I
You're
don't
gonna
like
just
loud
do it
noises.
little by little. You can just eyeball it if it's your consistency until your desired consistency. Let me see. I need a little more milk. I think I prepared a little too much of milk. Little bit. No, I think we're gonna need a little more. This is too.
Whoa!
Let's see.
That made me dizzy.
Muy delicioso.
If you guys remember what that means yummy.
Yummy, delicious, right?
Yeah!
Okay,
Delicious.
and we're gonna just put a little bit of our vanilla, just for the flavoring, and put a little bit, 1 to 2 drops of your red. Let's see
1
what.
to 2.
Is it too hard? Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Let's start there.
Whoa! It's turning pink!
It is pink. You're right, Bella.
Yeah, I'm smart!
You are very smart. You know your color mixture. I think we're done.
That's so noisy! That made me dizzy!
And now we're ready. We already put the fruit on top, and then the white icing on top. And now we're gonna put our pink icing. We don't have a turning table, so this is going to be interesting.
Can I help a little bit? Oh my god!
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Okay, see if you actually were listening. We have the right spatula, so we're just using this. We couldn't find where I put it. And
a spatula?
yeah, there's a small spatula just for the icing.
Oh, okay.
And Mommy forgot where I put it, so.
But guys, comment down below if you know the answer at the end of the video, because I'm gonna ask a question.
Right. And you're supposed to.
Whoa, what is this right here?
It's okay.
Whoa, whoa.
We're going to just.
This is crazy.
Right, we're finishing up our icing. And Bella, would you like to try putting it? You're going to make magic like this. Look at Mommy, okay? So you're going to do, Mommy Shelly will do magic like this. Just do little by little. You already washed your hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to go like this. Woohoo! Do you want to do that? Just do it quick. Okay? And ready? Yeah! That's so much fun. And we go, whoop. And here's for you. And let's finish off the whole cake. Woo! This is fun to watch. So that's our pink icing, buttercream icing. We just finished putting it and we're trying to decorate it.
Yeah.
Here it is.
We finished decorating this side. Now we're gonna...
Bella, would you like some magic? Do some magic. Let's do it. You can do it. Bam!
Oh, it's kind of down. Let's do it again, guys.
Perfect. Great job. Okay, don't put it in. There. And we are doing a great job here.
If you guys are bored at home, then you could just do this at home in the shelter in place.
Exactly. And this is perfect for something birthday if you want.
Yeah.
If you want birthday
Like
or something
birthday.
special, you don't have to put the fruit on top. We decided to put the strawberry. But you can always put the happy birthday or happy anniversary right on top.
Yeah, you could just take the strawberry out and write happy birthday with the icing.
Bella, did you have fun making our cake as well as decorating it with our homemade butter cream icing?
Yeah, it was so much fun.
And you know how to make magic by just sprinkling it with the sprinkles, right?
Yeah.
We do have a nice, make sure to like. If you want us to make more of it, this is very fun baking at home.
Guys, don't you forget I have a question to ask you. What does delicioso means? Comment down below if you know. Bye.